Wow, that's beautiful. Thank you. I want to welcome everybody who is here. And I want to thank everybody to make your time to come. I want to welcome some people that I think is worth mentioning. I want to acknowledge some present people. Some people are here. If by any mistake I don't mention your name, don't be offended. Don't take that offense. We have two apologies. Some people who apologized to not be here. We were expecting to have the Minister for Children and Youth Justice, Minister for Multicultural Affairs, Honorable Reen Leonard. She's not here, but she sent her apology. We are still expecting Elder Margaret to represent the First People, to the First Nation people to here. She's not in the room yet. I don't know her by any face. If anyone sees her, please tell her to come forward. I hope the protocol team will do the job right. We have apology from Mayor of Logan City Council, Darren Power. He was expecting to be here, but he sent apology. Mayor of Logan City Council, we got apology also from the Minister for Women and Minister for Prevention of Domestic and Family Violence, Honorable Shannon Fentiman. She's not able to be with us today. Let's put hands together for those people who sent apologies. Later on we will have, I don't know if he's here yet, but I think he's not here. He said we'll be here from 3 o'clock upwards. Our Treasurer and Minister for Investment, Honorable Cameron Dick. So we are not putting hands together for him. We do it when they are here. But we have Deputy Mayor and Councillor of Division 5, John Reven. I don't know if he's in the room. Yes. Oh, he is. We can put hands together for him. His other name is a friend of Burundian. We have the CEO of Access.
Amaharo, everybody. My name is Teresa Lane from Logan City Council Division.
Everyone, my name is Ignacio Correa-Vélez from QPAS, and thank you so much for the invitation. Thank you.
Thank you. Representatives from MDA, or Multicultural Australia now, it's known as. Maybe still stuck in the traffic. They will be here soon. Ethnic Communities Council Queensland ECCQ. I know we have Lazaro, but must be outside doing his job. Doesn't want to talk, but want to wait. That's right. Do we have someone representing Martin Community Services? All right. Someone representing Congolese community. Diaspora, I think.
uhagarariye diaspora y'abarundi.
John stayed there and all the
Yes,
for the job. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Esperance Kalonji. I am the women representative of the Congolese community. I'm happy to be here today.
Different churches, but they are also pastors. From this law, from this side to this side, we can say hi, your name.
Abagiye kuturamutsa n'abahagarariye
Salvatore Bizumuremyi ndabaramukije.
That's a pastor Salvatore.
Murakoze naje ku mazina ya Robert Mukombozi. Uyu munsi nabahagarariye Q-Past, ariko kuba turi inshuti n'abavandimwe n'abaturanyi b'Abanyarwanda nabo ndabahagarariye uyu munsi. Murakoze.
Thank you.
Baramukije Petro Edouard nkaba n'umukozi w'Imana mu kigo cya African Cross bose murakoze.
Nanjye ndabaramukije nitwa John Mustafa, nanjye nifuje kuba namwe umunsi wa none. John Mustafa is also one of the pastors.
Thank you.
Nanjye ndabaramukije nitwa Jehova Imana ibaheze.
Thank you. Oh, and my dad. Don't take the microphone before you give to my dad. Yeah. And my dad.
Mukije kwa jina la Yesu. Nitwa Matayo, irindi nitwa Munabuka, nkaba ndi umubyeyi mfise ibibondo ngaha kandi nkaba nishimiye iyi komite y'Abarundi eka n'iy'Abanyarwanda n'iy'Abakongo, zose komite zose ndazikunda.
Thank you. Do we have any pastors that we didn't have the chance to welcome?
Okay, mwewe mwesa ndafitana nanje kuzali kazambu kumasindira nzire cyangwa amakuru umwe mu bakozi b'Imana wese mu Hope for Nations. He's one of the church leaders from the Hope for Nations.
All right. Yes, help me. Thank you.
Yes.